What's up guys, Earl here of Tech, and after thousands of rumors and leaks, Apple finally unveiled the iPhone 12 series, coming in with a redesigned chassis, a faster processor, new set of cameras and features, and it comes in 4 different sizes that caters to everyone's needs. And here it is. This is the iPhone 12. Well, kind of, because, although iPhones aren't the most budget-friendly piece of tech you can buy, but still, we've listed down some of the reasons why you should check out the iPhone 12. The A14 Bionic on the iPhone 12 series provides a 40% faster performance than last year's A13 Bionic and 50% faster graphics, which means it can handle graphically intensive games and computational photography even better than before. Apple has been one of the late adapters of the 4G technology way back in the days. At Apple's virtual event, the company announces that it would implement 5G's ultra-fast millimeter wave versions on its iPhones. It is exciting to see that Apple adapted this technology even though it is still in its early stages. It is also worth mentioning that 5G comes standard with all iPhone 12 models, unlike other smartphone brands releasing a particular 5G variant of their smartphones. Apple finally ditched its liquid retina display like what we see on the base model iPhone 11 from last year. Instead, it eventually uses OLED technology on all iPhones, making the screen almost bezel-less, and it produces more vibrant colors with deep blacks that most people will surely enjoy, especially for those people who love binge-watching media contents on their iPhones. Remember back in the days where MacBook used to have those magnetic connectors for charging? Then Apple eventually replaced it with the USB Type-C, which many people hate. Now with the iPhone 12, Apple integrated its MagSafe technology on its iPhones. The same execution on what's on the Apple Watch, but if you are into wireless charging, you'll love this feature because it automatically aligns itself to a wireless charging puck thanks to the magnets inside. Not only that, but also Apple takes advantage of these magnets to integrate accessories for better ease of use. Many people are having a hard time using today's smartphones because of their large footprint. But with the new iPhone 12, Apple introduces the smallest iPhone that packs the same modern all-screen iPhone design in a very ergonomic 5.4 inches screen, which is smaller than the iPhone SE 2020 and reminds us of the iPhone 5's design back in the day and is loved by many until now. So what do you guys think? If money isn't an issue, which iPhone will you buy? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon to miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Rel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.